I will talk about how can you change your name on your WordPress app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, so you just go down, you click here on account in settings, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on my profile, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to first name, can you change it in here your last name? Then it's going to change with you here on your WordPress app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish now you I get it. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.